Ladies, if you drive an automatic car, this one's just for you. Whether you're new behind the wheel or just want to level up your confidence and care on the road, these 5 automatic driving tips will save your car, and maybe your wallet too. From avoiding expensive damage to making your ride smoother and safer, let's get into it. Tip 1. Decoding your gear shift. P, R, N, D, and the secret L or S. First up, let's decode that gear shift. We all know P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive. But have you ever noticed those other letters or numbers like L or S? Or perhaps 1, 2, 3? These aren't just decorative. L often stands for low gear, and S can mean sport mode or also a lower gear setting. These are your secret weapons for specific situations. Going downhill, using L or a lower numbered gear helps your engine slow the car down, saving your brakes from overheating on long descents. Going uphill, it gives you more power for climbing steep inclines without your car struggling. Towing or heavy loads provides more torque and control. Sport mode, or S, often makes the car feel more responsive and powerful, holding gears longer. Knowing these options gives you so much more control than just sticking to D all the time. Tip 2. The 1-foot wonder. Why your right foot does it all. This is a common habit for new automatic drivers, but it's crucial to correct. The 2-foot trap. Many people use their left foot for the brake and their right for the accelerator, but for safety and efficiency, your right foot should handle both the accelerator and the brake pedal. Why? It prevents accidents. Using both feet can lead to accidentally pressing both pedals at once, which is incredibly dangerous and confusing for the car. Faster reaction time. Your brain is wired for one foot to control speed. Training your right foot to switch quickly between gas and brake builds muscle memory that can save precious milliseconds in an emergency. Smoother driving. It encourages a more deliberate and controlled driving style. So, practice keeping that left foot firmly on the dead pedal or floor and let your right foot be the 1-foot wonder. Tip 3. Don't shift to park before coming to a complete stop. Let's kick off with a big one, and I see this mistake way too often. Never, and I mean never, shift your gear into park while your car is still rolling. Even just a slow creep forward can do damage. Because park locks the transmission. If the car is still moving when you engage it, you're forcing metal components to slam into place. That's a big no-no. Instead, always press the brake and come to a full stop before shifting into P. It might feel like a small detail, but it saves you hundreds or thousands in repairs later. Tip 4. Don't rest your hand on the gear lever. This one's sneaky. If you're the kind of driver who rests their hand on the gear lever while cruising, stop doing it. That habit may feel harmless, but over time, even light pressure can cause wear in the gear selector mechanism. And that's one expensive fix for something that could have been avoided just by keeping both hands on the wheel. Plus, you'll look more confident and in control doing it. Tip 5. Mastering the D and R transition. Smooth operator. Our final tip is all about being a smooth operator. Always come to a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse or vice versa. It sounds obvious, but rushing this transition is a common mistake that can be hard on your transmission. When you're parking or doing a 3-point turn, make sure your car is completely stationary before you move the gear selector. Shifting while still moving, even slightly, puts unnecessary stress and wear on your transmission components. You might hear it clunk or feel a jerk. That's your car telling you it doesn't like it. Taking that extra second to come to a full stop ensures a smooth transition, protects your transmission, and makes you look like a seasoned pro behind the wheel. And there you have it! 5 simple yet powerful tips to make you a more confident and skilled driver in your automatic car. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Her Auto IQ for more empowering car confidence tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Stay smart and stay safe out there.